Okay, hello everyone. I'm Milari CM and some call me Miss Mimi. And I came here to actually deliver an apology. And this is basically an apology video as much as it is about explaining exactly what happened. Everything has both the good side and the bad side. And I am not going to pretend like I am perfect. Far from it. But I do want to clarify what happened, especially Zonet in a, I don't know, for some reason why they think it's necessary to show it, except for the fact that I am my father's daughter. I will not get into the politics. I am not that